80% of Americans report having been on a diet of some sort in their lifetime. And every single year, 44% of Americans go on a diet, the weight loss roller coaster. It has physical, mental, and emotional impacts. So what do you do when you've tried everything? Check this out.
Yeah, this is one of the pictures when I see this right here is when I was at my biggest, one of my biggest weights. Close to, I guess, around like 500 some pounds.
If you didn't know it was him, you might not recognize Wesley Nicholson in these pictures.
When I got under 400 pounds, that was one goal. When I got to 350, that was another goal. To get down to my high school back in '98, I was weighing 325 playing football. So to get back to that since '98, once I got back to 325 pounds, I was like, okay.
The pictures show the change, but they're not the only part of the story. Wesley works out at home, walks 10,000 steps at work, eats better. He and his wife help keep each other accountable, but it's Cone Health's Healthy Weight and Wellness program that got him back on track.
They encourage you. They give you the steps, the tools to work with. I think it's a good program.
The Cone Health Healthy Weight and Wellness program helps children, adolescents, and adults that struggle with obesity.
We get their weight history. We want to see what their background is when they land here, what kind of issues they've had in the past with their weight, genetic predisposition, any medical comorbidities that are weight related. And then we look at what they've tried already, what has failed, what has worked. And then they come to us, we do metabolic testing on every patient.
Wesley had weight loss surgery years ago. It worked for a while, but his lifestyle didn't change until he got into this program. Now it's been 2 years, and he wants anyone struggling with their weight to know this.
You just take it day by day. And I think a lot of times people are looking at where they want to be by looking at people in magazines or TV or where their success is, but they didn't get there overnight. You take each day of how to eat better, how to walk, but you just take each day and just keep working at it.